Most people in their lifetime have seen a fire extinguisher. They're in every building, they're everywhere, they're big, bright red, shiny objects, but they don't stick out, they don't resonate because we're not paying attention to them. If you ask the average person, have you ever picked one up? Have you actually ever had to discharge it? And the answer is probably no. So we make a product that we don't want anyone to see, we don't want anyone to ever have to use it, but if they do, it has to work. The underlying problem is you can't fully recess into a standard size wall.
I looked into the question of how do you make a fire extinguisher that's going to fit, and it's a tough engineering challenge. You know, the extinguisher can't be deeper than 3 inches front to back, but I knew that we had to solve it within the existing rule books and standards. It wouldn't have been realistic to try to solve it otherwise. Early on, I tried to license our technology to the largest manufacturer in the country, and their head of engineering said it can't be done. He couldn't believe that what I was saying that I could do was possible.
So everything is made right here in our facility in Glendale Heights, Illinois. We machine, we fabricate, we weld, we do all the assembly work, everything done right here, and then we ship it to distributors and customers around North America. So when we got our start, it was very much a chaotic process from the standpoint of we weren't real organized. We're a small business, we were using QuickBooks for our back end, but from an inventory management side, we were able to track that we bought some stuff, we made some stuff, and we shipped some stuff. We didn't really have good insight into how that material was being used. We eventually found our way to Fishbowl, and we saw a system that, number one, was very simple to use and didn't require a lot of resource. Once we have the material in-house, we're able to watch it move and flow through the manufacturing facility. So at any point in time, we know what stage the product's at, we know how many parts and pieces we have on hand. And so with a small facility where all hands are on deck, we have people building product, we have people entering orders, we don't have a lot of margin and tolerance for paperwork and administrative stuff. So when we first started using Fishbowl, we were very much using it in an automated way, but we were printing a lot of paper. We talked to Fishbowl and said, here's how we're doing things today. What can we be doing to improve things a little bit more? Well, and that's when we were introduced to Fishbowl Go. So it's really automated, it's streamlined, it's saved us a lot of time. It's just a great tool, and we were really excited when Fishbowl told us about it, having them come to us saying, hey, what are you guys doing? How can we help you do it better, faster, more efficient? It's just been a great relationship. If you're in a retail environment, for example, a hospital facility, you're gonna see a standard extinguisher every so many feet. And with our extinguishers, what you'll see is they blend into the environment a little bit better. They're, we'll say, a work of art. If you're a manufacturer, you get it. If you're in the industry, you get it. They're everywhere, they're required by law. You're gonna see them around forever. They're constantly being replaced, and what we saw was there wasn't a lot of innovation. There wasn't innovation in the shape, the design. We've thought about all of that when we designed our product.